Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you a really quick tip because I know when I wasn't doing highlight and contour, it seemed like super intimidating. And even when I first started out, I always felt like I was doing it wrong and I was intimidated by it. So as you can see, I have my contour on. That's all I have. So I have it along my jawline. I have it right under my cheekbone. You can always use your finger to find your cheekbone, and then I have it on my forehead. So this makes it so easy if you do your contour first. I don't know why I don't. Just habit. It's just a habit I've gotten into. But if you do your contour first and then you come in with your highlight color, you're just filling in between the lines, right? So that's all I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna fill in between the lines. And I don't have to be exact. I don't have to blend it. It can be streaky because if you have a perfector sponge to blend with, I haven't done any nose contour. I'm not worried about that. Okay, see, just filling in between the lines, just like you're coloring in a color book, like you did as a kid, or I still do now because my daughter always wants me to color with her. And then I just prime my eyelids while I'm doing the rest of it. Easy peasy, no big deal, right? At this point, you can come in and do your blush color. Maybe I will do that, make it just easier. I'm gonna use Tropicana because I've got it right here. And this color, if it's not out of stock already, it's going away, and it is the prettiest color. It's a summer color, and it's kind of orangey, so I've been using it for fall. I love it. I think I could use it year round. Okay, so then I just take my perfector sponge and get it a little bit damp, and then wring it out in a paper towel so it's just damp. You don't want to get your skin wet when you do this, but you want it to be damp. So, and then I'm just gonna blend everything, right? You could also, if you don't have the perfector, although I really recommend it, but it'll take off any extra products. So if you went a little crazy and got too much, it'll take off anything extra and then just blends everything together. And I love doing it this way because as it heats up on your skin too, the makeup just looks even more gorgeous in like an hour as it heats up on your skin. And I'm not wiping, I'm pressing and rolling so that my contour does not get dragged down, because I don't want to have mutton chops or something. So see how crazy that is? Just blending it all out. No big deal. This I am gonna drag down. I wanna drag it down my neckline and blend it down so that I don't have a floating head. Have you ever seen somebody with the wrong foundation color and they just look like they have a floating head or a pumpkin head? And I just wanna give them a business card. Give them my business card. I'll get them the right color, I promise. Okay. Easy peasy. My foundation is on. Blend it out. Just like that, no big problem. That's it. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and be done. Oh, I can do a little bit of illuminator. So I'll use this one since it's right here. Just a little bit of shimmer on my cheekbones. No big deal. Down my nose, Cupid's bow, right up here under my eyebrows, your chin, if you're feeling fancy. That's it. Okay, 5 minutes, full face of makeup. No big deal. This is not intimidating. It's not hard. It's easy. It's beautiful. Yeah. Don't be intimidated. If you want a color match, just reply to this story and I can get you color matched. Okay, you guys, so this is it, the finished look. I did set with a little bit of powder because I get oily and I wear glasses, so I set around my eyes and around my nose with powder. I did an eyeshadow look. This is with the same colors that are linked in my bio under fall eyeshadow look. And you can just grab the compact if you're interested in that and watch the video on my blog post about the eyeshadow look I did before. This one's a little bit different. Just took a minute to do a nude lip color and I'm done. Yeah, highlight and contour, it's not hard. It's pretty easy. Let me know if you want to get color matched.